What if I told you that a few simple mistakes could cost you your grades, your confidence, and even your career in accounting? Most students keep making them again and again, but not you, not at least after today. In this video, I will expose the top accounting mistakes students make, why they make them, how to fix them, and how you can become an A+ accounting student. So let's begin. Whether you are in high school, college, or doing professional courses like ACCA, CMA, or BCom, accounting is a subject that demands precision, logic, and practice. Yet students face low marks, frustration, and confusion, not because they are not smart, but because they are not aware of the traps they fall into. Today's goal is to turn your weakness into your confidence by uncovering and avoiding these common mistakes. So, top accounting mistakes. Number 1 is skipping the basics. Students jump to journal entries, ignoring fundamentals like debit and credit rules, accounting equations, or classification of accounts. Their mistake is to memorizing instead of understanding. How to fix it? We can fix it to master the golden rules and accounting equation first. Mistake number 2 is incorrect journal entries. The mistake is to recording transactions in the wrong accounts or wrong side like debit credit. So how we can fix them? We can fix it by identifying the type of account like real, nominal, or personal account to apply it correctly. Always pause and think before writing what is increasing or decreasing. So, mistake number 3 is poor ledger posting. The mistake is to post the wrong amounts or skipping ledger balances. How we can fix it? You can fix it by following this simple cycle, like first go to the journal entry, then transfer correctly, then balance accounts every time. Mistake number 4 is confusing trial balance totals. The mistake here is to getting unequal trial balance because of transposition errors. We can fix it by double checking totals, especially when using manual work. Use calculators. The mistake number 5 is incorrect adjustment entries. Here often students make mistakes like forgetting accrued incomes, outstanding expenses, prepaid, and depreciation, etc. And they can fix it by preparing an adjustment checklist while preparing final accounts. Adjustment entries can increase or decrease profits. One wrong entry changes the whole balance sheet. So be careful. Mistake number 6 is balance sheet misclassification. The mistake is to putting liabilities in assets or mixing current or non-currents. Students can fix it by learning the structure of assets, fixed or current, liabilities of short, long, and capital. So mistake number 7 here is forgetting closing entries. The mistake is not transferring nominal accounts to profit and loss account, and we can fix it by always close expense or income accounts to prepare for next period. Mistake number 8 is not showing working notes. Mistake here is no rough work or side calculation shown. Students can fix it by adding working notes clearly. They earn marks in exams and save you from rework. Mistake number 9 is ignoring formats and headings. No titles, wrong dates or formats, messy structure is the biggest mistake. We can fix it by being neat and follow the format of journal to ledger to trial balance and then to final accounts. Mistake number 10, the last mistake of this video is relying too much on calculators. Students often rely too much on calculators. They do not understand the values or logics, and they can fix it by using calculators after understanding what you are calculating and why. Pro tips to avoid these mistakes. Practice at least 5 questions daily on a variety of topics. Watch error analysis videos and correct your old mistakes. Use color-coded notebooks for each stage like journal, ledger, trial balance, final accounts. Group study helps clarify concepts faster. Ask why every time you write an entry. Reattempt previous wrong questions and use mock questions and past papers weekly. Here I have some commonly asked questions by students and with their answers. So question number 1 is, why do I always get wrong totals in trial balance? You might be missing double entries, wrong amounts, or skipping postings. Follow the flow, like journal to ledger to trial balance. Always cross-verify debit and credit columns. Question number 2 is, should I memorize journal entries? The answer is no. Understand the type of accounts involved and apply debit or credit rule. Memorization leads to mistakes in unseen questions. Question number 3 is, how many times should I revise one topic? The answer is minimum 3 times. First to learn, second to practice, and third to master. Space the revision over a few days. Question number 4, can I pass accounting if I am bad at maths? The answer is yes. Accounting is more about logic and rules than complex maths. You only need basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Question number 5 here is, how to fix a mistake once the entry is posted? The answer is, use a rectification entry or journal adjustment. Never scratch an exam or practical books. Remember, mistakes don't make you weak. Not learning from them does. Now that you know about what to avoid and you are already ahead of 80% of students. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for the accounting lessons and share it with your friends who keep struggling with accounting so that we could grow together. So that's all for today's video. If you have any of the questions, then do comment. I will surely reply. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning. 3 common mistakes. Let's fix them now. Number 1. Ignoring debit and credit basics. Students often memorize entries without understanding the logic of debits and credits. How to fix it? Master the 3 golden rules which I told you in my previous video. You can go and rewatch it. They are the foundation of every journal entry. Mistake number 2. Mixing up real, personal and nominal accounts. Misclassifying accounts leads to wrong entries and a messed up trial balance. How to fix it? Learn the types of accounts and their behavior. It will save you every time. Mistake number 3. Not practicing enough. Accounting is a skill. Reading isn't enough. So how to fix it? Solve practice problems daily. The more you practice, the clearer it gets. Want to avoid these mistakes and master accounting? So subscribe to Learn with Aman for easy and effective lessons and let's grow together.